now is the time to launch your internet marketing business, to monetize your knowledge and expertise and wisdom, and launch yourself into becoming a thought leader. I'm at the computer working right now. What's up? My name is Keith Kalfas with Influencer You, the channel where I talk about monetizing your knowledge, your advice, your experience, and building an online platform so you can make residual income online, multiple streams of income, but by helping people, by doing home-based business, helping people. What's happening in the world right now is interesting. It's stressful. It is unprecedented times, and I was really freaked out for a few days, but I have a landscaping business and an internet business, and my whole landscaping business at the time of this video is shut down. We're on total lockdown. We can't do anything. So what did I do? I'm working on my internet business. I just finished my third book. It's uploading to audible.com right now for review, and that'll be a stream of income. It's going to go on my website, paperback book, ebook. I'm launching a new online course, and I will just buckle down and make more money on the internet at home. And I didn't have that option a few years ago in my life. I started doing this 2015, 6 years ago, building this because I knew times like this might come, and I didn't want to be dependent on just one stream of income, right? So it took a long time to build it all. But anyways, Kajabi is the platform that I use. There's a few different ones out there. I think Kajabi is the best, and that's also my reason for making this video. If you're thinking about taking the leap into your digital information business, click the link below this video and try out Kajabi, the 28-day challenge. You can build your entire website on it, your online courses. You can sell one-on-one coaching. You can do everything. You can connect a shopping cart to it. You can run your blog off of it. I mean, literally with a laptop and a webcam, you could build an entire 6-figure internet business. Mind-blowing. So, all right, this is the time to do it. Do it now. All right, later, guys. Hope you're doing well.